So if you run a business on social media and you don't have WhatsApp link on your bio, this video is for you. Because why on earth will you run a business on social media and you don't have a WhatsApp link on your bio? If you don't know what WhatsApp link is, go and check it on my page. That is WhatsApp link. Yes, are you a fashion designer? What business you run and you are putting it on social media for visibility, you will need a WhatsApp link. Yes, WhatsApp link is what people will click on and it will direct them to your WhatsApp where they can chat you and ask you whatever they want to ask you pertaining to your business. That is what WhatsApp link is used for, majorly for business owners. And if you are watching my video right now, go and check your profile on Facebook, go and check your profile on TikTok, go and check your profile on Instagram. And if you don't have a WhatsApp link, that means you have to watch this video to the end, because it will help you to retain customers. Because whenever people are looking at your profile on Facebook or on any of your social media, they will check your bio, and if they want to give you any contract, if they want to give you any business, they have to click on that link and it will direct them to your WhatsApp where you can have any of your conversation. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do it in just 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes, I'll teach you. So what you have to do now is to go to your Chrome browser and search for this link, wa.link. I'll be putting the link on my description. I'll also be putting the link on this video right now, wa.link. Can you see they have premium version and they have a free version? For you to create a WhatsApp link, you don't even need their premium version. So move closer. So scroll down. You see create a free wa.link. Create a free wa.link. Click on it. Just click on it. Can you see create your free link here? That is, you have to create it here. Put your phone number on it. You are still putting your phone number on your bio on any of your social media handles, it is wrong. Go and create a WhatsApp link. So on here on this space, put your phone number. Let me put my phone number now. Then add a custom message that users will send to you. That is, which message you want them to send to you. So make sure you write your message here. So I have written my message here now and I'll read it to you. This is my message. Hello Okwemi, I would like to buy data from you. I'm aware that it is 350 naira per gig and I'm aware that it is 270 naira on your website. I would like to pay to this account. Then I put my account number and my name. Can you see the strategy? So I put thanks. This is a hook. Whoever is coming to your DM to type nonsense, this is what will be their prompt message. Yes, that is strictly for business. So I wrote thanks, already written the message, just as if I'm offering them my service, any of them. Even if you are a fashion designer, just write it there. Put how can I help you? So we sew this type of clothes. You should understand what I'm talking about. So after writing your text, your prompt text, after writing it, just click on generate my wa.link. Yes, it's, can you see it is just as simple as ABC. Click on create my wa.link. Then I click on it. So then I click on create wa.link. So I've clicked on it. Can you see this is your WhatsApp short link? It's just a short link. Can you see copy link there? Click on copy link, then go and put it on your bio. So this is my Facebook account. Let me go to my bio. This is my Facebook account. I want to show you how to add it on your Facebook account. As you can see, I have it on my Facebook account already. If you want to edit it, click on edit. This is the WhatsApp link. I've put it on my bio already. So I'll just click on edit bio, then I'll type whatever I want to type here. So this is just how you will do yours. I'm just teaching you how you do yours. So after putting it here, click on save. Can you see? Then it will be saved. So whoever is messaging you on Facebook will see the WhatsApp link. So this WhatsApp link, you can go ahead to your social media handles to put the WhatsApp link there, so that your customers will get easy access to you. So if this video is helpful, make sure you follow me for more tips and don't forget to share. Yes, Don't forget to comment under the comment section. Let me know your view about this video. Let me know your opinions. Is this video really helpful? I want to hear in the comment section. I would love to see you in my next video.